أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn Surah At-Takathur, which has 8 ayahs. Okay, inshallah. First I'm gonna recite this. After that, let's look into Tajweed rulings. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألهاكم التكاثر حتى زرتم المقابر كلا سوف تعلمون ثم كلا سوف تعلمون كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين لترون الجحيم ثم لترونها عين اليقين ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن النعيم. Okay, let's now learn the tajweed rulings of these ayahs now. And number 1, ألهاكم التكاثر. ألهاكم. Not al. Ha. This is a ha here, okay? Ha to count. Kaf and mim for wawan haraka. ألهاكم التكاثر. Okay, ta with emphasis, you should stress on it, put a stress on it as it has tajdeed. Ka for two haraka, tha with no whistling sound. Ra has dhamma, but while stopping that will convert into sakina, right? And you should pronounce it heavily because it has dhamma before it. Ka thur, okay? ألهاكم التكاثر حتى زرتم المقابر. Hatta, ha, very sharp. Ta, here there is alif makhsura, that is standing fatha. You can see, stretch it for 2 count. Hatta, zur. See, ra sakin is heavier due to dhamma. Don't recite it lightly like zur. Zur, tumu, 1 count. Connect it to lam. Zurtumul maqabir. Maqa, heavily and 2 count. Maqabir. Ra, which has fatha, will convert into sakina while stopping. It has kasra before it, therefore it will be light. Here the ra is heavy, here it will be light, okay? Maqabir, bir, lightly. حتى زرتم المقابر كلا سوف تعلمون. كلا, lam mushaddad, not kala. Kalla, 2 count as well because there is alif maddiya. Kalla sawfa, not sofa. Sawfa, aw sound. Sawfa ta'lamun. Ain is compulsory here. The word itself is from ain, lam and mim. If you recite ta'lamun, the word is meaningless, okay? Push that epiglottis. The little time should also be taken with sakina, okay? Don't pronounce it with a jerk like hamza. It is not a letter of shidda, it is a letter of tawasud. Give a little time. Okay? Ta'lamun. While stopping, madul arid li sukoon, because this fatha will convert into sakina. There is waw maddiya before it. Stretch it for either 2 haraka, 4 haraka or 6 haraka. We will keep it 4 haraka in all the ayahs, okay? كلا سوف تعلمون ثم كلا سوف تعلمون. Same ayah with the summa here, okay? Su. That should not be with a whistling sound. It is a su. Summa, mi mushaddad 2 count. Gunna, kalla, lam mushaddad, emphasize it, stretch it for 2 count. Kalla, sawfa, not sofa, sawfa. تعلمون, again عين clear, مد العارض للسكون for 4 حركة. ثم كلا سوف تعلمون. كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين. كلا, not كلا, كلا, emphasize it, لو, not low, لو. تعلمون, again not تعلمون, تعالى, push that epiglottis, تعلمون. علم, عين here, not hamza, علم, connected to lam, علم اليقين, not يقين, it is يقي, قاف there, and again مد العارض للسكون, we will keep it 4 حركة, okay. كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين لترون الجحيم. لترون, see all these 4 letters, 1 haraka, don't stretch it more than that. لترون, not hamza. When waw comes with dhamma, many of you pronounce it like oo. لترون is wrong. لترون, with your lips, and circle your lips and pronounce لترون. This is also 1 haraka, but there is tajdeed. Due to that, you should do 2 haraka gunna as well, right? لترون, gunna is 2 count, but the stretching is just 1 haraka. لترون الجحيم. Jahim, ha should be very sharp, and also we will apply madul arid lisukun, stretching it for 4 count. And while meem, which acquires sakin, pronounce it just with izhar, okay, no extra gunna. لترون الجحيم ثم لترونها عين اليقين. ثم, no whistling sound, ثو, ميم مشدد, 2 حركة غنة, ثم. Don't stretch it for 2 count, just do غنة is 2 حركة. ثم لترونها, same here, لترون, 1 count, ra is heavy, noon mushaddad for 2 count غنة, okay, and also only 1 count stretching here, but this ha is for 2 haraka. لترونها, ha, عين, not aina, don't convert ain to hamza and don't say ay, it is ay. عين اليقين, يقين, قا, okay, يقين, مد العارض للسكون for 4 حركة. ثم لترونها عين اليقين ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن النعيم. ثم, so not to seen, okay, and me mushaddad 2 count gunna with just 1 haraka stretching. ثم لتسألن, la tus, not la tus, that will be wrong if you say la. لتسألن, here nun mushaddad 2 haraka gunna, 1 haraka stretching. لتسألن يومئذ, not يوم, يومئذ, zal which no buzzing sound, okay, not يومئذ. This is a very simple ruling of zal, letter sa and letter wa. And also we have already completed more than 3/4 of this juice. Still many students are pronouncing zal, sa and wa with a whistling and buzzing sound. You just have to practice well, dear sister. This is Quran, take it seriously, practice well. يومئذ, ani, ani, ain clear, noon with the kasra here, connect that to this noon. Anin, this should be with 2 count gunna. Anin na'im, ain clear, here and here, make sure to pronounce ayn correctly, or the meaning of a word will be meaningless. It will change here, okay? Anin na'im, ayn clear, and while stopping, this meme will acquire temporary sukoon. Pronounce that with just idhar shafawi and with the 4 haraka stretching, because we will apply madul arid li sukoon here, inshallah. ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن النعيم. Alhamdulillah, so we have completed learning Surah At-Takathur, right? Inshallah. So if you have any doubts with the tajweed rulings of these ayahs, you can ask me first. Then inshallah, let's recite the surah for many times, okay? I'm going to unmute your mics now. Any doubts with the tajweed rulings? No? Okay, let's recite then. First, let's end the meeting now. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا.